Yeah, hello. This is Will and Carlos from UPC America. Here's a how-to and a brief explanation on how to replace a hydraulic pump on an RC5500. Okay, Carlos, go ahead.
Before you start, you're going to make sure you disconnect the battery of your unit, and if possible, make sure that the mast is completely tilted as far forward as possible. So once you start, you're going to begin by removing the front hood. And also, you're going to remove this panel. It's 4 10mm screws, 2 on the left side and 2 on the right side. Now, what you're going to be replacing is this pump motor right here. You're going to begin by removing the 2 electrical connections that are on the pump motor, and they are 2 16mm sockets for these 2 screws. You remove these, and then you're going to remove this line. It's a 30mm wrench, and here an adjustable wrench, and then the third line, which is the smallest one, another adjustable wrench. Next, you're going to unplug the unit from here, from the connector. You're going to unplug it, and then lastly, you're going to trace this line down, and you're going to notice that there's one last hose down here. It's another 30mm wrench that you need to loosen this hose, and then you can start the removal of the pump, which it's 17mm screws. It's going to have 3, 1 here, and then 2, 1 at the bottom and 1 at the top. 1 in here, right up here, and then 1 at the bottom of the motor. And then it's ready to be removed, and that's it.
Okay, one other thing, keep in mind, it's heavy, so if you have someone to assist you, it's definitely recommended.